Ultrasonics continue to lead the way in non-destructive testing for critical assets. With higher probability of detection, flaw sizing, and increased efficiency, phased array inspection is the advanced inspection method leading to actionable insights for asset owners. Eddyfi Technologies is committed to innovating and expanding in vertically integrated in-house capabilities. With the complete manufacturing process all done under one roof, the best engineers, machinists, and assemblers can manufacture the highest quality phased array transducers with industry-leading efficiency. From a full portfolio of standard products to highly customized solutions for unique applications, Eddyfi has the solution for every industry and critical asset. Non-destructive testing is a global necessity for industries that span from the sea to the sky. Whether for large vessels or offshore oil rigs, oil and gas refineries and pipelines, nuclear power generation plants and renewable energy resources, mining facilities, transportation and rail industries, or critical components on airplanes and aerospace assets. In a world that's always evolving, Eddyfi is innovating towards the future by ensuring the highest detection rates, flaw sizing, and actionable insights with phased array ultrasonic transducers. Keep a pulse on your asset integrity.